Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a happy house. First, let's draw by drawing a simple house shape. Draw a square for the base of the house, like this. Now add a triangular roof on top. Let's add a chimney to our house. Now draw the moon. Very good. Now we draw the door and draw windows, like this. Very good. Time to add some color. First we use yellow color for this house shape. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Good job. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Very good. You did it very well. Very good. Then we use brown color for the roof. Very good. Remember to try and stay inside the lines. It's okay if you go out a little bit. Just try your best. Very good. Good job. Color it all in. No white spots left. Like this. Very good. Use sky blue color for the windows. Very good. Same here. Then we use brown color for the door. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Very good. Use orange color for the chimney. Very good. Use sky blue color for the moon. Very good. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Like this. Very good. You did it very well. And there you have it. Your house is ready. Allah Hafiz.